Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we're going to discuss our latest addition to our cup holder section. This is a red clipped universal cell phone holder that'll fit any vehicle, any cup holder that is out there. The SKU number for this product is 30027. Put that in the search bar on our website and you'll pop right up. First, let me show you all the parts that you get with this cup holder, and then I'm going to show you how to assemble it, and we'll discuss a little bit about what you can do with it and how it works. So the first component you have here is the base. This is the part that fits or slides into the cup holder. This is a little ring that will lock the clip that you have here in place. All right, so let me put it together for you. It's really simple. So we're going to take this ring here, and you're going to put it, there's the part with the thread that faces out, and we're going to put this in here like that, okay? Then we're going to take the cup holder, the clip for the cup holder, and put it in here, okay? Once that's in there, we're going to take the ring that you see right there, twist it up here, and we're going to give it a couple of twists and close it maybe 80%. This still gives you movement. If you are going to go off-roading and do something a little nutty, right, then you want to give it that extra twist, and now it's not going to go anywhere. So you put your phone in there, and then you're good to go. It will hold the phone snug in any condition, even upside down if you're into that sort of thing. Okay, so once you have this put together, you want to put it in your cup holder. Really simple. You see you have these lines over here. If you grab them and you twist it, this will start popping out. So let me show you how that works. Okay, I'm going to twist it around like this. Okay, so you can see that it's coming out now, right? Now look, I'm still twisting. So this will fit the little European cars or the big American monstrosities that need the super gulp Slurpees, if you're into that kind of thing. Okay, so this is the cup holder. This is how it looks if it's standing up from the top view, but this is basically it. Now, on top of here, these are the rubber clasps. I know in the video it looks like plastic, but this is rubber. It's meant to hold your phone. And it expands, as you can see, like this, to hold any kind of phone you want, right? So now we're going to put the phone in here, like that. I'm going to go in here, and we are good to go. Now it's holding the phone, and, you know, if you're looking at your vehicle, this is how it's going to look, all right? Now, if you want to use it as a GPS, you're going to want to twist it like this, okay? And now you're going to have it like that on your vehicle. You want to straighten it, whatever you want to do. What's nice about it is that you still have access to your cables here. So you connect the cable to it, leave it powered. This way it stays on, okay? But this is the landscape mode, and this is the portrait mode, okay? So this will hold the phone snug. It is good for any cup holders. If you have them in the back seat, that's great. We've seen our customers also put it in baby seats. If you want the kid to watch YouTube or whatever, bubble guppies that you guys want to do. Also, it's so easy to remove because you take out the phone, right? And we're going to now twist this like that, the other way. And then the feet, or whatever the clasps are, they start contracting, right? It's nice, it's closed, it's easy to disassemble. And once you're done, you could take it with you if you're going on a trip, and you want it for a rental car, or you want to maybe brag to your friends so they can come to Taddy Brothers, take it, you show it to them. This is a great product, okay? But that's really all that this thing has beyond those features. It's made out of commercial grade plastic. We sell this to fleets because it keeps their phone safety, because you can't tell them not to use their phone. So this is actually really good for that. And remember, that's heavy use in and out of vehicles, taking the phone, and these things don't break. We also give you a 10-year warranty on the product, which means if anything goes wrong with it, wear and tear, anything cracks or something like that, these things wear down, 10 years, let us know. We'll take it back. We'll change it for you. Okay, we're that confident in the product. So if you have any other questions or you need tech support or anything like that, feel free to call our team here in California. It's 866-966-5550. Again, our number here is 866-966-5550. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this helped you put it together. Otherwise, you can still whip on over to TadiBrothers.com, find the product you liked, buy it. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.